Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Menchi from Dozo Padaris. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have three children. They are boys and ages is 9, 7, and 2. I am a college undergraduate of HRM. It is Hotel and Restaurant Management. So my special skills is cooking, housekeeping, cleaning the house, taking care of the kids. And before I teach swimming lesson, I handle kids, the children.
Okay.
So
Can you tell me about your work experience
I have
aside from?
been working experience at a family, Filipino family before. I have been working in 2 years taking care of the newborn kids, children, and um, household, cooking, and laundry ironing. And then I do errands also for the family.
Okay. So you work for that family for 5 years.
It's 2 years.
2 years only,
Yes,
sorry. And then how many family members did you serve?
they are four in the family.
Okay, 4 members. How many are small children?
Two,
How old are they?
they are three, and then the newborn.
Okay. Are you a stay-in housemaid?
Yes,
Okay. Aside from that, do you have any other work experience?
yes, I've been working in a company before. It's a warehouse packer. I
Okay.
have been a checker, and
Okay.
then the inventory. I do inventory working before
Okay.
in the store.
All right. Um, well, you mentioned earlier that you have 3 children, right? The youngest one is 2 years old.
Yes,
Who will take care of them if you work abroad?
my husband and also my both parents
Okay. Is your parent living with you in the same house?
is near in my house.
Okay. What's the work of your husband?
He is car repair.
Okay. So why did you decide to work abroad?
I want to earn money for the family, to provide them and giving them a good future.
Okay. Why did you choose Malaysia?
The Malaysia is a good country and it is open country. So I expected all the people there is good.
Okay. So if you work there, what do you prefer to take care?
Uh, I take care of the baby.
Okay, newborn baby.
Yes,
Okay. What if the employer asks you to sleep with the newborn baby? Are you willing?
yes, it's a baby.
How many day off would you like to have?
If that my employer asking me to not to take a day off, so I will take.
Okay, but if you have a choice,
And I will take at least 1 day of in a month.
okay. You understand that you cannot go outside during your rest day?
Yes,
Okay. With your cell phone, you understand as well that you cannot use it during working hours?
yes,
Do you have any allergies in pets?
no,
Are you willing to work to an employer who has pet?
yes,
Do you have any allergies in food?
no,
Is there any food that you don't like to eat?
no,
Okay. How long do you plan to work in Malaysia?
2 years.
Okay. Are you willing to extend?
Yes, po.
Okay. Lastly, can you tell me what is your dream for your family?
My dream to my family is having their good future and then build a house and provide for their daily needs. And then for my children, giving them a good future.
All right. Well, that's it for our interview. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.